Good morning, all of you. Uh, Today, experiment number 7, uh, water tank. Write a program for filling three different water tanks with using PLC software. Okay, three different for filling three different water tanks using PLC. Okay, so I will share the screen. So this is the experiment number 7. Write a program for filling three different water tanks using PLC. So our aim is to fill three unequal level water tanks. So that is T1, T2, T3 with capacity of 300 liters, 200 liters, and 100 liters respectively by using PLC software. So that is the thing. That is the motto of our experiment. Okay. Coming to in this case, this experiment are three different water tanks, T1, T2, T3 with capacity of 300 liters, 200 liters, and 100 liters respectively. In the above three tanks with the different water level filling alternatively using the PLC software with the sensors automatically. At first, by giving supply to motor with tank T1 of 300 liters and tank T2 of 200 liters, and then to motor with the tank of 100 liters. Now the tank T1 is filled to certain level. T1 is filled to certain level and the T2 is filled completely. Then the motor of T2 turn off and after the motor of tank T3 with the capacity of 100 liters will be automatically turn on automatically. Finally, the tank T1 and the T3 filled completely so that the motor of T1 and T3 turn off automatically. Okay, here using capacity of T1 capacity is 300 liters. First turn on the 300 liters capacity of tank, water up to fill the certain level. After that, the tank T2 that is 200 liters. Excuse me. So we will come back to you. Okay. So at first, by giving supply to motor with tank T1 of 300 liters and tank 2 of capacity of 200 liters, and then supply to motor with tank of 100 liters. Now the tank T1 is filled to certain level and the tank T2 is filled completely. Okay, certain level వచ్చేసరికి ఫస్ట్ కెపాసిటీ ఫస్ట్ ట్యాంక్ T1 ఉంది కదా 300 లీటర్స్ 300 లీటర్స్లో సర్టన్ లెవెల్ 200 లీటర్స్ వచ్చేసరికి సెకండ్ ట్యాంక్ ఫిల్డ్ కంప్లీట్లీ. Okay, so after that remaining time is will shared by T1 and T1 tank T1 and tank T1 and T3. Okay, the which capacity of 300 liters and 100 liters. Okay, so that is the scenario. Here using network explanation, now when normally open switch S0 is set on, then the output M is activated and the normally open switch S0 is provided with reset. Okay, so coming to network T2, network when normally open switch M0 is enabled, then the output Y1 is activated. Since T1 is normally closed and normally open switch is Y1 is latched with M0. So coming to network T3, network 3, when the normally open switch Y1 is enabled, then the output Y2 is activated since Y3 is normally closed. So these are the things I will share. I will share the software also. So this is the thing. First, we are using S0. S0 is so coming to S0. When normally open switch S0 is set on, then the output is M0 is activated and normally open switch M0 is latched to S0. Okay, so that is the first step. Second step, this is the first step. Okay, second step is when normally open switch M0 is enabled, then the output Y1 is activated. After getting enabled the M0, after that M0 is enabled, after that Y1 is highlighted, activated. Okay, so that is tank T1 which capacity of 300 liters. Okay, This is the thing. And network 3, when normally open switch, y1 is enabled and the timer T0 is activated with the value is 150 seconds. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, network 3. Next, network 4, when normally opened switch is enabled T0, then y3 is normally closed enabled y3. Okay, after that network 5, when normally open switch y3 is activated and timer T1 is y3. After that y3 is T2 అవుతుంది. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay. I will execute the program. Compiling the instructions and click on online mode option S and run the system. Okay, so now ladder diagram is ready to use. Setting the set on M0 is activated. After M0 is activated, Y1 will be activated. So Y1 will be setting 150 seconds. After 150 seconds, Y2 will be activated. After Y2 will be activated, after that 100 seconds. The Y2 is setting time is 100 seconds. After Y3 will be, after that Y3 will be enabled. After that K50, so reset Y3 and reset Y1. Y3 and Y1 resetted after getting, so motor is again resetted to S0. So that is resetted to S0. Reset to Y1. Y1 means this is Y1. Again we will on condition. Again we will run the system once again and compile the system. Go to online mode. Some technical error. Okay. And again compile the system. Go to online mode. Now is executed. Set on the system. We will observe those things. Okay, Y1, Y2, Y3 will be sequentially operated after getting filled the tanks during filling the tanks. So 150 seconds, 100 seconds, and 50 seconds. Okay, we will so reset the S0 through Y1. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, next one. So next one is next new project, experiment number 8. So that is valve control, water level control with valve control. So I will put a title valve control. Valve control, we are using new project valve control. Here I will share the screen once again. Here, so next experiment number 8, valve control with water level control with valve control. So to obtain and observe the water level control with a valve control by using PLC. So here we are considering the tank is fully filled at initial condition. In that time, water reaches to higher level than the water level sensor senses the water and starts the Y1 valve at the same time. At the same time, why not means motor stops. Okay, so now the water in the tank decreases to some level, then the water sensor will be off because it will not sense water in it range, but still the motor Y0 is in off and valve Y1 is in on state, because in that time the air sensor is in off position because it is not sensing vacuum in that range. So when the water reaches to lower level, then the air sensor senses the vacuum and the switches on the air sensor, then the valve Y1 is set to off condition, and motor Y0 is set to on. Then the water increases to some level, so the air sensor will be off because it can't sense vacuum around it. In that time also the motor Y0 is on, and the valve Y1 is off because the water sensor can't sense any water level around it. When the water reaches to higher level, the water sensor senses the water sensor and it stops the motor and opens the valve. This is the process will be repeated again and again. So okay, first when water level control with valve control, S2 is on. Nothing but S2 is higher level on. Okay, when S2 is on condition, Y0 off. Nothing but Y0 is motor is off condition. Y1 is on. Nothing but Y1 valve is on condition. Okay, on means when S2 is reaches to high level, so Y1 will be opened. So water is discharged through like this. Okay, water outlet. So next step, S2 is off condition. So S2 high level off. In that water reduces to sensing level. S2 is off condition. When Y1 is on, Y1 is again on, and Y0 is off condition. Okay, again third step, S1 is on. Nothing but lower levels. Water reaches to lower level, it senses the lower sensor level. Lower sensor, that's S1 is on condition. Nothing but Y0 is on. Nothing, motor on. Again motor will be on. Motor means motor supplies some water like this. Okay, motor supplies the water to water tank, and Y1 will be off. Y1 means valve will be closed after reaches to lower level sensor. Water reaches to lower level. Okay, so this is a scenario. So in this case, this is S2, Y1 and Y1. Okay, so S2 means high level sensor. High level sensor S2 is on, Y1 on. Okay, valve on. Okay, even though S2 is off, Y1 always on due to latching. Okay, due to Y1 is condition is same condition will be stable, staying like that only. Same condition, that is Y1 is latching. So this is the ladder diagram. So even S1 is on, Y0 on. In that case, Y1 is off condition. Y1 is off condition. So again, here also Y1 also Y0 is latching. So because the Y0 is staying that condition only. Okay. So in that case, Y0 and S1, Y0 and Y1, Y0 will be on, Y1 will be activated. So even though S1 in this case S1 is on condition, in this case S1 is off condition. Reverse, vice versa. So S1 is activated through Y0. Okay, S1 is activated through Y0. S1 means low level sensor. Y0 means motor. Okay, S1 is activated, so through Y0. Okay, my motor will be on. So motor supplies some water, discharge through this pipe to water tank. So that is, I will execute the system. I will share screen. I will draw the ladder diagram also. So okay, here S2, S2, Y1, S2, Y1. So Y1 is latching. Next S1. S1 y1 NC switch, y1 NC y0. Here y1 it is y0 is latching, connected to like this, y0 next, y0, so NC again, S1, output is y1, again y1 is latching, like this only. After completion of this network, compile the system, simulate the system, go to online mode and run the system. Here, so when S2 is on condition, S2 is on condition, y1 will be on, y1 will be on, okay, y1 will be on. Here S2 is on condition, y1 will be on, okay. In this case, y1 will be on, y0 will be off condition, okay. So syntax is matched, okay. So S2 means here S2 means nothing but high level sensor, S1 is low level sensor, y1 is valve, y0 is motor, okay. S2 is high level sensor, S1 is low level sensor, y0 is motor, so y1 is valve, okay. S2 is on condition, high level sensor will be on, so in that case y1 on, y0 will be off, okay. Next case, S1 will be on, even though S1 will be on, S1 will be on, y0 on, y1 off, y0 on, y1 will be off, okay. S2, coming to S2, S2 will be off, S2 will be off, y0 off, y1 on, okay. Reverse mode here, so please wait, okay. Here S2 is on, y0 off, y1 on, okay, satisfied. Next S2 will be off, S2 will be off, y1 on, y1 on, y0 off, S2 will be off, y1 on, y0 off, again S1 on, y1 on, y1 S1 on means y0 on, y1 off, 1 2 3 means, okay. So S2 will be on condition again, even though S2 off means y0 off, y1 on, ఇక్కడ y1 ఆన్ అవ్వాలి, means S2 on, S2 on, y0 off, y1 on, S2 on here, please wait. Okay, we will be back, okay. So even S2 on, nothing but S2 on, Y0 off, Y1 on. I will execute the program again. Please wait. Okay, again compile the system. Again go to online mode. Some error is matching. Please wait. Go to online mode. Here we will execute the system. So go to run mode. S2 will be on, Y1 on, Y0 off. Okay, first statement is satisfied. S2 on, Y1 on, Y1 on, Y0 off. Okay, next statement is S2 will be off. S2 will be off, Y1 on, again Y1 on, Y0 off. Okay, and again third one mode of operation, S2 S1 on. S1 on means Y1 off, Y0 on. Okay, so this is the three water level control with the valve control, water level control with water control. Okay, so this is the scenario. Three states: S2 on, Y1 on, Y0 off. S2 off, S2 off, Y0 off, Y1 on. Okay, next S1 on, S1 on, Y0 on, Y0 on, Y1 off. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so up to 7 and 8 experiments will be completed. So we will do your best. Okay, execute the programs. Okay, thank you.